this video, I will show you how to draft players in ESPN Fantasy Football. So for that, simply open up the app. From here, make sure that you're in the football section, then navigate to My Team inside your league. Here you will find a live draft lobby, which happens few minutes before the countdown clock hits 0. Simply click on it. Once you do that, you will be able to view your draft order, team slot, and overall roster requirement. And to add players in your draft, you'll have to simply filter the players by positions like QR, RB, WR, etc. Simply build a players queue ahead of time so that you can instantly pick your backup options if your main choice goes to another team. Then click on the green draft button next to the player's name immediately when your turn arrives, and that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.